What's up guys, we're back today in the news. Today I'm gonna be unboxing Pokemon cards. I'm already unboxed it. It is right there. Let's start. Okay. Trainer. Podia. Eevee. Slowking. Poliwar. Electrovie. Electrobee. Digger. Charmander. Cannot believe what I got. I got Tapu Fini. Spycard. Clefairy. Dugtrio. Porygon-Z. Nairo. Frodar. Caterpie. Matang. Execute. Don't know what's his name, but kind of cute. Fairycharm. Magmite. Poplio. Ultra Beast. Ooh, I got an Ultra Beast. Drowsy. Vulpix. Trainer. Tangle. Ayamas. Electric. Energy Ball. It's electric. Don't know what is this. Comment down below if you know this guy's name, because I don't. I'll show you right now what the name is. Flavy. Scott. Knowing bat. Knowing about it. Bat. Yeah, knowing that. Combi. Hunter. Oddish. Jimmy. Ultra Space. I hope I get a Tapu Fini, because a Tapu Lele, because I need a Tapu Lele really bad. Yeah, really bad. I need a Tapu Lele. Mesprit. What time? Wait. I know his name, but I forgot his name. Jelly Crush energy is full. Get out of here, messenger. Poplio. Ralphie. Magnemite. Voltorb. He's so cute and fat. Magazine. Wow. I really wanted a magazine open. Cool. Lucky Turn. Ooh. Meowth. Gosh. Nyron. No, please. Oh. Blastoise. EX. Ooh. Gumi. Fennekin. Another Tapu Fini, but a different one. Jesus. Rockruff. Scarp. Fire. Vivillon. Don't know his name, is too big. Hujan. Sandshrew. Escalope-EX. Go-Goat. Skeeter. Shuckle. Wait. This. Magikarp. Professor M's Electric. Inkay. Ninjask. Ralphie. Dolphin. Water. Bacham. Venus Queen. Okay, again. Uwan. Pretty cool, not bad. Machamp. Howdy. This last one has some Tapu Fini. Is it not? I had to open more packages. Please. 3, 2, 1. Tapu Lele. No. Oh my gosh. Opened so many Pokemon packages. I opened it so much. That was a lot of papers. Make sure you subscribe, like the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. I had to end it here because I'm gonna play Minecraft. So peace.